some wedge salads today. I did a regular wedge salad, and then I did an Asian inspired wedge salad. That one had a big hunk of blue cheese. Love it. I love blue cheese so much. My tomatoes were still good too from the last time. So for this one, I did carrots, jalapenos, edamame, green onions, the wonton salad toppers, sesame seeds, and a sesame ginger dressing. I think that's it. Yeah, I figured that would work out pretty well. Let's try. Ooh, that's really good. This would be really good with some like dumplings on the side. This is totally for people that can't decide which flavors they want, which happens to me all the time. This is good. Really wasn't hungry. I made the family some spaghetti. And my husband another set of wedge salad, so I'll have spaghetti tomorrow.